Well, finally, I guess another normal day or regular day for a stock like AMC with all the freaking manipulation that we've been uncovering since January here. I mean, closing on 8% when we jumped 25%. From a technical analysis, people will say, oh, but this is normal for the stock to cool off. But I mean, yes and no. It is what it is. We all know what's up here. But I think we can learn something from here and maybe have some more, green days going ahead, especially with what we saw today. Because according to, to me, this is nothing but the market makers alongside short sellers really making sure to bring the price as down as possible because we are heading towards the end of the week. And some of these options that a lot of apes, a lot of investors are buying because the price shot up in the recent days are now worthless. And it's pretty much like we're giving our money away to these guys, all right? So, just look at the volume. Look at the volume of all the calls for which the share price is above 39. Look at how the volume has shrunk, okay? I've listened to people having $20,000 worth of calls drying up in a matter of days, okay? And I think this is the thing. At the beginning of the week, the market makers are writing all of these calls and a bunch of apes are jumping on it, scooping them up because the price is going up, all right? Now, FOMO kicks in, and then when the price continues to go up, maybe because of a short squeeze, a mini short squeeze or a gamma squeeze in play, well, price continues to go up and then apes continue to give an increase into the options calls that they have. Now, what happens? Short sellers say, hey, this thing is going up before it gets out of hand. Let's make sure we control this thing, okay? Let's make sure we pull up what we need to do, what we know, we do what we need to do, okay? And then, boom, they buy a bunch of puts. And then market makers, again, as they saw the thing, they start on hedging, and then boom, price continue to go down, especially with the FOMO volume, okay, being rerouted through dot pools. And that's how you end up having a worthless call even before Friday. So I guess, guys, we have to be mindful. I'm not telling you how to manage your money or how to invest your money because I'm not an expert, I'm not a financial advisor. But guys, it seems like we are not learning. This is pretty much a rinse and repeat process for them, okay? We've been seeing this continuously since January, and that's majorly one of the big issues with the psychological warfare they're using because they want to pretty much drain you out mentally into washing your hands on the stock and getting away. But if we keep playing the options calls and the option games like they are setting us up to do, then I don't expect things to change. But if you want to have more green days ahead for the next weeks or the next months, maybe we should instead buy shares. I don't know. I don't know if it will even work, but it doesn't seem like getting a bunch of calls when the price goes up, it's actually serving us well. I'm just saying, my 2 cents.